What's up, family? How you guys doing today? I do Milky Tech, and look what fell into my hands. Let's check these headphones out. So family, I am looking for a decent headphones for the gym, and this Morpheus 360 caught my eye. Price is pretty decent at the time of recording. It's around $20 on Amazon. Link will be in the description below. I needed something that's budget friendly, and well, let's look at these. And you guys will say, like, why are you going for over-the-ear headphones? Well, I do have the in-ear headphones, but they keep on falling out no matter how much I change the earpiece size. So I just prefer these over the ear, and they're wireless, so they basically meet everything that I like. I do have my trusty V-Moto, but it's not wireless. You know how they got rid of the 3.5mm jack, so either, I'd have to get a dongle or get something else. So, you know what? Let's try something for the price of a decent dongle. If you guys enjoy this type of videos, smash the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel greatly. We are trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the summer. And if we do, we're doing another $100 giveaway, y'all. So bring y'all friends and make sure to subscribe, yo. Alright guys, so let's check out the specifications for these headphones. So there are two different ways you can connect these headphones, either via Bluetooth 5.0 or a standard 3.5mm jack. So if your phone still has a 3.5mm jack, you can do that. It has a built-in lithium battery that's rechargeable and lasts about 10 hours. The unit drivers are 40mm. The impedance is 32 ohms plus or minus 15%. The frequency is anywhere between 22 Hz to 20 kilohertz. The sensitivity is 108 decibels, and it has a built-in mic. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the package. Alright, so in front of the package we have the name of the product, the Morpheus 360s. They're Bluetooth 5.0, 10 hours of playback time. These are the Tremors on-ear wireless headphones. And here are some of the features it has. Wireless connectivity, built-in microphone, one-touch media control, and you can put a micro SD card. So you put your favorite tunes on your micro SD, plug it in, and you don't have to carry your phone or any other kind of media device. This is all in one. And this is how it looks like. This is the black version. Name of the product, some California warnings. So here's a picture of the product with the built-in controls. And in the back of the product, we have a picture of the product itself and the features that we went over. Wireless connectivity up to 10 hours, or I believe you could just connect it via 3.5mm jack and not even have to charge it. You just use the headphones that way. So we'll test that out. Built-in microphone, we'll test out the quality of that as well. You can put a micro SD card in and play your tunes back through there. One-touch media control, which is their buttons over here, which is great. I mean, some products, they have a very gimmicky touch system. Here's actual buttons, so that's awesome. Has a padded headband and noise isolating earmuffs. And package contents, it contains the headphones itself, aux cord, USB charge cable, and the user guide. So let's unbox this. Here's our user guide, aux cord, charge cord, that is, micro USB, and our headphones. Let's take a closer look at the headphones. So here's the headphones. We have our up-down buttons and volume up, volume down, power in the middle, micro USB charge, two microphone holes it looks like, and that's where the 3.5mm jack connects, and our micro SD card, our two 40mm drivers, and the headband. Feels soft, and well, let's see if this turns on. It lives! Time to pair it. The pairing process is pretty easy. As you can see, the light here, the indicator light, is flashing blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. So it is in pairing mode. Pairing is pretty easy. You just go to your Bluetooth settings, hit search or add new device, and while it's blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, find the device name, which is HP4500, and pair the headphone. It's fairly easy. Let's test fit these headphones and see how comfortable they are. Overall, it feels pretty light, not that uncomfortable to put on. Noise isolation, just a little bit, not too much though. Alright, let's test out how they sound like, if they sound good. These headphones are not too bad considering the price point. The mids are pretty good. The highs are not as crisp as they should be, but that's fine. And the bass is not as deep as it should be, but considering the price point, these aren't too bad. Especially not if you're just going to go to the gym and be kind of abusive to these. They're not too bad. Alright, let's see how the microphone sounds like. Let's bring up a sound recorder. And we're gonna test out how these microphones sounds like. hopefully they sound good. And they sound actually not bad, this microphone, at least through the sound recorder. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad.
Hello?
Hello, how does it sound like?
Sounds good.
It gets the wife approval. Overall, for $20 headphones, these are not too bad. The sound is pretty good. I mean, put a little smile on my face. It's not like my Audio Technica, but yeah, I mean, we're comparing a $20 headphones to a $250 headset. So, you know, you get what you pay for. The range of connectivity for this headphone is pretty great. You can connect via Bluetooth, 3.5mm, or you put in a micro SD card and don't even have to worry connecting anywhere. Call quality is not too bad also. The microphone sounds pretty decent. Now, of course, to go to the cons, the build quality isn't there. I mean, you can feel the plastic. It's just, you know, pretty rigid. It doesn't conform to your head like other ones would, but it doesn't have a swivel where the earpieces are. And the comfort on it is, I'd say 5 out of 10. I would probably wouldn't wear it more than an hour or two. In the end, for the features and the price point that this headphone is at, and honestly, at $20, it's a steal. And if you're in need of some headphones, this is the way to go. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hi, what's good? Drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.